So I've just been tidying up some things here in the cave before heading off to bed, and I realised I still have one of these TP-Link smart Wi-Fi plugs. And it dawned on me I hadn't spoke to you guys about this new Wi-Fi plug I've been trying out, and I've been using it in the workshop. So I thought I'd do a super quick unboxing and tell you about my experiences so far. So those of you that subscribe to the channel will know I'm really into the smart home gadget tech type stuff, and I've got various different smart plugs and lights and everything going on. And as part of the workshop build, I wanted to have Echo enabled workshop, and I also wanted to be able to control an overhead light strip that was plugged into a plug and do that through the Echo as well. So I decided to try out one of these TP-Link smart Wi-Fi plugs. I picked up a couple of them to try different use cases. I've been using one now for about four or 5 weeks in the workshop, and it's working really well. The good thing about these, similar to the Belkin Wemo plugs in terms of the fact that it connects to your Wi-Fi network. So it isn't a SmartThings enabled product. You don't need a hub. It essentially connects, and it works with the Echo, the Google Assistant, and what have you. Obviously you can enable it to be fully internet connected. I haven't gone that far, but there's various schedules and everything that you can set up, as well as away modes and stuff when you're on holiday. I haven't done any of that. I literally just basically installed it, enabled it with the TP-Link Casa app, added it to my skill to the Echo, and now anything I plug into it will be controlled. So pretty kind of standard stuff. Just pop open the box. Bit of information, technical support numbers, and a quick start guide. Don't need really any of this. I'll explain to you kind of how the install works. This is what the plug looks like. Obviously here in the UK, it's a 3-pin plug. This front panel has I guess a physical an on and off switch that is lights up green when it's working. I'll do a quick overlay so you can see the one in the workshop, and a Wi-Fi indicator on the top, and a button for the syncing. But basically it's really super simple. You download the Casa app, so I'll show you some examples here on the side. Download the Casa app. It asks you what type of TP-Link device it is that you're looking to install. You look for the icon that looks very similar to this plug, which is the smart plug. You make sure it's plugged in, and obviously it's pulsing, so you can see that it's trying to connect or waiting to be connected to. It's turned into ad hoc mode then. So on your smartphone, you will connect to the Wi-Fi of this plug. So you need to be in the vicinity so you can be Wi-Fi connected. Once you are connected to the plug, it will take you through, ask you to put in your select the BSSID of your router, so the name of your wireless access point, and obviously then you put in your Wi-Fi password. Then this device will get associated with your wireless network, and it's now on your network and accessible from anywhere. Within the application, you can obviously then decide what level of access it is, so if you can control it over the internet or just on your local network. And then the final stage, in my case, is getting this to work with the Echo. So I just added the Casa skill within the Echo skills list, and that's it. Up and running, works really well. Obviously, if you're using an Echo, you need to rediscover devices, but that's a basic step. But I'm really liking this so far. I like the fact that obviously you don't need to have another bridge, and that's one of the issues that your Wi-Fi network might have quite good coverage, but perhaps your smart grid doesn't have the same coverage. So even though lots of these devices work in a mesh network topology, you don't always get the range. Obviously, because this is an outside building, the Wi-Fi made most sense. The main differences between this and that Belkin Wemo plug that I've reviewed in the past is you don't have all the statistics about energy usage and everything on this, but you don't need this. This is a relatively cheap smart plug. And if you're looking for something that's cost effective to make dumb devices smart that have a plug on the end of it, then definitely worth checking out the TP-Link smart Wi-Fi plug. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. If you're interested in other geek type videos, please consider subscribing to Spectrum Geeks. Why not also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And before you leave, why don't you check out one of these other videos that may be of interest. Thanks again for watching.